Hello everyone, we are the Paradox. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a dolman shirt with marvelous designer. If you want to learn how to make a cowl shirt or a t-shirt too, we posted videos of how to make them on our channel, you can also see them. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and hit the notification button, so you do not miss our future videos. Well, let's not waste any more time and go to it. First, we make a rectangle with the size you see. Make a point on it. Make it smaller. Make another point. Make the change in the pattern as you see it. We create another point. Make the collar of the dress. Paste it symmetrically. Now we have the front piece. We copy it for the back piece. Move it to the back of the model. Flip it horizontally. We sew the pieces together as you can see. Always try to bring the pieces as close to the model as possible before simulating, and also make sure that the stitches do not pass through the model's body. Due to the type of sleeves of this shirt, we have to put the model in a T-pose position, so that the pieces are sewn together properly. As you can see, the pieces fall because they are not close to the model. We make the sleeves smaller. Give curves to the sleeves. Make a rectangle the size you see. Using arrangement points, we adjust it around the hand. Make a point in the middle of it. We sew it. Simulate. Paste it symmetrically. Adjust it for the other hand and sew it to the sleeve. Simulate again. Tighten the sleeves. We give more curves to the collar. Make the shirt a little smaller. We choose the fabric. We do the piping. For better visibility when we piping, we make the model invisible. In the last step, we lower the particle distance number, so that the shirt is displayed with beautiful details. And of course, do not forget to do the merge. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you and could have added something to your information. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it so that you do not miss our future videos. If you like this video, please like it, it will help us a lot. If you have any questions, you can say them in the comments section. So I will see you in future videos.